Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are learning the Java programming language from my channel very well, because in this video series we will learning the Java programming language with a practical demonstration. In the previous video we learned how to get the value from user via scanner class. So if you want to learn the scanner class and its method to get the value from the user, you can watch my previous video. Now it's time to implement the concept in the real scenario. For that, in this video, we will make a Java program that will accept the principal amount, rate amount and number of years. Then we will find out the simple interest. So now let's make a Java program to find simple interest. Here is the formula for the simple interest. Principal into rate into number of year divided by 100. So what I am doing is I am just creating a new file. That file will have the code of the Java program to find out the simple interest. So in the file what I am writing is I am just importing a scanner class with the util package. So let me write import java dot util dot scanner. So scanner is a class and util is the package. In this file I am just creating a class name as a, say for example, calculate SI. SI means a simple interest. So I am just copying the class name for the saving the file. Calculate SI dot java. I am saving the file. Now in the file I have written the main method, that is public static void main is the starting point of the program execution. Now I am running the file. To running the file, for example, we need to compile first. I have compiled it and using the Java command I am just running it. Okay, so it is compiled successfully and run successfully till now. Now what we will do over here is we will create an object of the scanner class. Say for example, scanner s equal to new scanner in the bracket system dot in. So here what we have created in line number 4, we have created an object of the scanner class name as s. Now I am just printing the static message to the user system.out.println enter principal amount. Say for example, in the string I will write in the double quote enter, say for example, enter principal amount. Enter principal amount. Okay. So this is just the static message we have given to the user. In the next line, I will just write. I will create a variable. Say for example, integer p equal to. Say for example, we can say a principal also. Integer principal equal to s dot next int. Next int is the method of scanner class that will use to get the integer value from the user. Right? That is we have discussed in the previous video also. So what happened over here now, my friends, we have created object of scanner class. With this object we have created a variable name as a principal. So I have just copied and pasted it over here. Now I will write enter rate of the interest, and I will change the name of the variable, say for example rate. So we have taken till now we have taken two variable name as a principal and rate, and in the line number 10 I have written the method name as a next float. So next float method will use to get the float value. Now I will change the text message enter number of years. So here the user will enter the number of years, say for example that will be in the integer, and the variable name will be like as a year. Okay, so we have three variable now: principal, rate and the year. So principal have the integer value, rate have the float value, and year will have the integer value. So now what we will do over here is we will just create a variable, say for example simple interest. That variable will be a float variable, right, and is equal to, we will write the formula to find out the simple interest. Say for example principal, that we have created a variable multiply by rate, multiply by number of years, and we need to divide it by the 100. So this is what we have find out the simple interest. And what we have, we will just provide the output to the user. Simple interest equal to plus, plus is the operator for the concatenation, and we have written the simple interest. So simple interest is our float variable. So we have written in the output simple interest equal to plus simple interest. Okay, so now I am saving the file, and now I am going to run the file using javac calculate si.java. Compile successfully. Now I am running the file. The cursor is waiting for the enter. Principal 5000, number of rate of interest 5, and number of year will be 3. So it will give us the simple interest in the output. So this is what we have created a simple program over here to learn the how to get the value from the user using next int and next float method, and then we have calculated a simple interest and we have printed it. So that's all from my side in this video. In the next video we will learn another important concept of Java. So please stay with me in this series. And if you don't subscribe my channel till now, please subscribe, share, comment and like. Thank you guys.